Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to protect your personal information on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then tap My eBay section at the bottom side of your screen and then scroll down until you see Settings. Here find Personal Information. And here check your email address and your phone number. Make sure they are correct. Okay, then go back and enter sign in and security section. And here update your password if it's been a while since you have done that the last time. Of course, use a strong password that include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So to change password, click this button, Change Password, and then follow the prompts. Also, a very good thing to do is turn on two-step verification. Here it is, two-step verification. This way, even if someone tries to log into your eBay account, this person will need your iPhone to get past the extra security code. And of course, they will not have access to this code. Only you will have. What else? When you message buyers or sellers, keep conversations inside the eBay application only. Do not share your personal email address, your phone number, or anything private, stuff like that. And if someone asks for this information, that's of course a red flag. Also, avoid clicking on any links that sellers will send you unless it's inside eBay's secure messaging system, because scammers sometimes send fake links pretending to be eBay. Simply don't open those links. So yeah, that's how you can protect your personal information on eBay. I hope this video helped you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.